Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Kartika and my student number 060-111-8182-3017. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you good. Today, I want to share you about using Proofreader application to improve writing skills. Um, Okay, the first I want to explain what are writing skills. Writing skills include all the knowledge and abilities related to expressing ideas through the written word. The ability to clearly communicate ideas through writing is in high demand for employees in any industry. Technical knowledge about writing conventions, style guides, and formatting for different situations are also an important part of writing skills. Knowing what situation call for different styles of writing and being able to set an appropriate tone over text are both important writing skills that any person can use at work. Next slide is about why our writing skill is important. Writing skill are important because they allow people to get a point across without being physically present. Many employers get their first impression of future employees through the writing skill that display in their resume, cover letter, and email communications. So writing skills influence the quality of your work and how others perceive your professionalism, which can have a direct effect on your ability to get an interview and excel at a work. Writing skills are transferable, so developing a strong understanding of writing process allows you to maintain clear communication and accurate documentation in any workplace. Mm, Example of writing skills. Professional writing is a complex process that involves different skills for planning, drafting, and editing. Great writers must be able to quickly learn a new concept and translate ideas into original content. Some some of the best writing skills include research, outlining, editing, reading comprehension, and time management. So next is about using technology to improve writing skill. The name of this application is Proofreader Grammar Style and Spell Checker. This application is one of the best type of application in grammar and correction, where write high quality text in English. Correct sentence improve your text style and readability as well as enhance your vocabulary. Become more confident with your writing and learn from the explanation of the correction provided by the application. So this application is an application that can make sentence or writing a good sentence and is organized according to the rules of word. And it also has a Woolly dictionary found in only one application. Um, Next is about features. These applications, there are 6 features like grammar, spelling, and punctuation checker, correction with explanation of your mistakes, translate dictionary, language prevents, and secure integration and privacy focus. So the first is grammar, spelling, and punctuation checker. This application can make a sentence then and also can grammar and synonym checker. The pictures there are can to check like grammar and synonyms. You can type word or sentence in column and click check. The second is correction with explanation of your mistakes. This learn from the error description. Swipe the cards to the side to dismiss correction. After you check grammar, we can see the cards and there are also correct word and explain that. The third is translate. Use our advanced translator to translate text between our 100 languages, as well as easily put your English translation in the corrector for further checks and improvement. The fourth is dictionary. These features can access word definition with a sample phrases. Learn new words and example of how to use them. If we can sort the word, we can also some precise the word and definition with clear plus example. Uh, and the fifth is language preference. These features can select your English dialect preference in the character setting, like American, Australian, British, Canadian, New Zealand, or South African, and also spelling, grammar, and punctuation checks adapted to each English dialect. And the last is secure integration and privacy focus. Simply share, copy, and paste text to review in the application. And also, the application never collect or stores your personal data or your creation. It does not require any permissions. Now I want to open question and answer section. So any question for me?
Nadia, I want to ask you.
Yes, Fanny.
Okay. My question, can you explain different from research and outlining?
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Fanny. The question is, can you explain different from research and outlining? I think research allows writer to find accurate information and best practice relate to writing in particular style or about a particular piece of content. Writers often have to write about subject that they are not familiar with, so finding quality source quickly is an important skill. Beside that, outlining is creating a plan for the structure and a flow of a piece of writing. Good writing needs to have a logical structure in order to make sense to a reader. Your ability to organize sentence and paraphrase in the most compelling way influence how others perceive you and understand to the point of your writing. So mm, research and outlining is some of the best writing skills in example of writing skill. Did I answer your question, Fanny?
Yes, Nadia. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Uh,
Nadia,
any questions?
I want to ask a question, Nadia.
Yes, Winnie.
Okay. Can you give me some tips on improving writing skills?
Okay, Winnie. There, I think there are some tips on improving writing skills. While some people are naturally talented at writing, anyone can develop their writing skill over time. Once you understand the different types of writing skills, you can focus on how you use them in the workplace and improve over time. Iden- and identify your strong writing skill and develop strategies to improve those skills to a professional level, like take grammar quizzes. Now your audience, your read your writing aloud, vary your sentence structure, practice daily, and read regularly. Did I answer your question, Winnie?
Yes, Nadia, thank you.
Thank you. The last
Nur Habibah,
question.
please.
Yes, Nur
Nur
Habibah.
Habibah, please. Okay. Uh, so the question is, from your explanation, we can see this application is really helpful for the writing. But can you tell us what is the disadvantages of this application and whether they use internet data or offline? Thank you.
Okay, Nur Habibah, I want to answer your questions. I think this application is just sort of a view. First, to use application is a long term. We have to pay. The second, translate has no sound or conversation that we can hear. As the other translator application. And lastly, if we want to correct grammar, we have to write the sentence can be a bit short right away. So this application is also use internet data and cannot offline, but the needed internet is not big enough. Did I answer your question, Nur Habibah?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. That all my presentation today. I hope the explanation give you can be helpful in acquiring your skills and in learning and teaching. So thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.